What's up, runners? My name is Veronica. I'll be your coach today. Welcome to IBX Running. Today's workout, we have an intermediate HIIT workout. These are one of my favorite ones to do because they're quick, high intensity. We get that heart rate up, you recover quick, hit it again, and then you're out of here before you know it. So, are you ready? We're gonna get this warm up going. I wanna start off with a brisk walk, 2.5 to 4.0 speed on that treadmill. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Like we always do, we're gonna be here for a minute. I want you just pumping those arms, start focusing on that breathing, getting yourself prepared and ready for this awesome workout you decided to join me with today. So with our HIIT workout, we have 6 hard runs. So 6 of those intervals that we're picking up that speed. And the point of it is to go faster than what you could do as if you were just going out for a jog, right? This is testing you. This is trying to push you to get those legs to move a little bit faster, training that body, right? And then after each of those high intensity runs, we're gonna take it down and recover a little bit, but still keep our bodies moving. Active recovery, right? We're not gonna walk. I want you to keep running so we keep that heart rate up, but we start to control that breathing. So we're gonna get started here with a run in 15 seconds. I want you to bring that speed up anywhere from a 5 to a 7. If you need a sip of water, grab it quick right now because we're gonna get started right here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's pick up that speed. 5 to 7. Remember, if at any point in the workout you want to see what that speed is, you can check it out over here on my right. All of our stats are going to be over there. You can see the progression of the workout over here. As that bar goes up, that means you're getting closer and closer to the end. So, my goal though for you, don't worry about the end, worry about the interval that you're doing right now. So right now we're continuing with that warm up, just getting that body moving. Let's think about that form. Let's control ourselves. Get yourself into the intention of what you want to do for each interval, going hard and as fast as you can. All right, really testing yourself, really challenging yourselves here, runners. Awesome. Let's check on that form, right? That's always going to be the key. If you want to try to get yourself to go faster, you want to be able to go harder and longer with your runs, you have to have efficient running form. So that's something I'm always going to stress on you. I don't want your form to fall apart just because you're trying to pick up that pace. All right, so find that speed, that sweet spot where you're running hard and fast, but you're maintaining form. Now on the treadmill, I like to be on a little bit of an incline, anywhere from a 0.5 to a 1.0. Just makes me feel a little bit more like I'm running outside. So nice and smooth. Here we go, runners. Like I said, we got 6 runs. All right, 6 hard runs. First one's coming up in 30 seconds. Each run is gonna be for 45 seconds. So it's quick. All right, your first interval, your speed is gonna be anywhere between a 7 and a 9. That's fast, we want it to be fast. All right, 7 to 9, that's your goal, 45 seconds. Are you ready to be all in with me? Each run, all in, that's your focus. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit that speed, 7 to 9. 45 seconds, runners. Let's go. Excellent. Control that breathing. That centers everything. Contract the rib cage. Squeeze the core of it, slightly lean forward so we can keep powering our body forward. Right when we hit the ground, we want to propel our body forward, not up. So that slight lean forward here. You got 20 more seconds, runners. And then we bring it down to that recovery. There you go. Stay smooth here. Use this first one as a gauge. That recovery is anywhere from 5.5 to 7.5. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Take it down. There you go. First one's done. See how quick they go, right? That's why I say each one, be all in. We're here in this recovery one for a minute 15. All right, so each of those intervals between the run and the recovery, 2 minutes. All right, here we go. Think about now that you did one. Now you understand, you finally trust me what I was talking about, how quick they go, right? So hit that speed. Each run, this is my little surprise for you. We're picking up that speed more. So that range is gonna bump up a little bit. I wanna push you to hit hard, to go fast. All right, we got 30 more seconds. We're gonna bump that speed up 0.2. All right, so 7.2 to 9.2. Be in that range. Test yourself. Surprise yourself. I know you guys can do it. We've been running together for a while. 15 seconds, runners. Here we go. Deep breath in. Slow exhale, still straight ahead. Pick that speed. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pump it up. Bump it up. Come on. 45 seconds. That's it. Right? Think about how quick that's going to go. We already know. You may notice the way I run, I kind of pick my heels up a little bit. So I run more middle to the ball of my foot. You might run a little bit differently, and that's okay as long as you are running, driving that knee forward, stepping that heel over, staying nice and tall. Here we go. 15 seconds, runners. Let's go. HIIT workouts. High intensity. Think of that. That's how you should be feeling right now. Come on. Final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down to that recovery. 5.5, 7.5. Awesome job. And we stay here and we breathe. That one felt even better, didn't it? I know sometimes you guys don't believe us. But we give you plenty of recovery time to prepare for that next run. All right, so know you're gonna feel good and ready for that third run. We're hitting that third high intensity interval. All right, this third one, now it's really time to lay into it. All right, challenge yourself even more. We're bumping that up, right? That range is going. I gotta push you somehow, right? So we're gonna go up to 7.4 to 9.4. Here we go. You got 30 seconds. If you need a sip of water at any point during the workout, I want you to feel free to do so. I like to just kind of go for it, but if you need it, I really want you to make sure you take that. It's important to always be hydrated, right? It's gonna help your body move better. It's gonna help your body recover. And it's also gonna allow you to pick up that pace. 15 seconds here. Third run, 7.4 to 9.4. What's that speed you're gonna go for? Think of it in your head. Let's see it. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on, hit it. Pick it up. Come on. Right? Because you can. Because you can. You say positive things to yourself in your mind, your body will follow. Right? Your body follows everything your mind tells it to. It is the control center. So, if you keep telling yourself that you can't do something, then you can't. But if you keep telling yourself, I can, I want it, I will, then you will. So let's go, 15 seconds. Come on, runners. Let's stay tall here. There you go, 10 seconds, all the way. That's it, that's it. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down to that recovery. 5.5 to 7. Awesome job, runners. You are halfway through. Now take this recovery right here as a reflection. You're halfway through. Are you putting yourself all in for each run? Or are you taking maybe the easy way out? All right, you can still turn it around. All right, you can still crank up that speed now for that second half. I'm gonna bring that speed up with our range already, but I want you to also pick up where you were from 1, 2, and 3. All right, we're gonna go harder and faster here. Always, that's the point of high intensity. Shock that body, bring up that heart rate, let it spike up, and then we recover and control that breathing here. We got 30 seconds, runners, and we're going into number 4, 7.6 to 9.6. Oh, yes. Take it up with me. Here we go, 20 seconds. Control that breathing. It's gonna be go time, runners. Right here, 10 seconds. Number 4. Let's see it. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 45 seconds. Come on, 45 seconds really does go fast. Before you know it, it's over. That's why I say pretend each one is like the only one that you're doing. And keep telling yourself that. I wanna go as fast as I can for this one because I know my legs will recover enough to do another one. 20 seconds, runners, let's go. Yes. Nice, deep breath in, control that. Let those legs fly, let those arms Work with it. 10 seconds. Let's go. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down to that recovery. 5.5 to 7.5. IBX. Let's go. You have 2 more. 2 more. Awesome job. This is your recovery, right? So you should be at that recovery speed. This isn't where you need to crank it up and go hard and fast. This is where we need to go to breathe, collect ourselves, bring ourselves back together, so that then that body's ready to go all in. 2 more, runners. Told you, these workouts, they're so fun because they're just quick. You can really challenge yourself for short periods of time. It's not as scary as saying, I want you to go as fast as you can for 3 minutes, super hard, right? 45 seconds. It's quick. 30 more seconds here. Awesome job. You see that progression bar going up. You're so close to the end. I want you to really step into this next one. Here we go. We're bumping up that speed. 7.8 to 9.8. Yes. Yes, you can. 10 seconds right here. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit that speed. Let's bump it up. Let's bump it up, runners. 45 seconds. Go for it right here. Come on. Hit that plus sign. It just feels easy for you. Hit that plus sign now. It's not too late to go faster. There you go. As your speed increases, you notice your stride opens up, right? You have to really push off out the back and drive that knee forward. That's good. That means you're finding that speed. You're running with that treadmill. You're not letting the treadmill control you. You control it. Here we go, runners. Stay smooth with me. You got 10 more. That's just a few more steps. Come on. More if you're short like me. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Take it off. Recovery. Runners, guess what? You have officially made it to the final run. All right? This intermediate HIIT workout's that next level for you. It's that next challenge for you. That range, it's going up higher. All right? You have 8 to 10 on that range. Make a plan now. What that speed do you want to be at by the end of that interval? All right? You can be maybe a couple points away from it, and then as you're running, hit that speed up. But where do you want to be at the end of this last one? All right? What do you want to do to challenge yourself and improve yourself for this last one? Runners, we got 30 seconds. Make that choice and commit to it. All right? Committing to something means you're not giving up on it. Means you're going to work hard for it. Means that nothing stands in your way. 20 seconds. Commit to that number. Yes, I'm here with you. All you have to focus on is getting after it. I got the time for you. I got the motivation for you. All right? You dig deep for that why. Let's go. Last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, hit that speed. 45 seconds. Let's go. Pick it up. Pick it up. That's it. Let's be smooth. Let's be strong and fast. Say it to yourself. Say it out loud. Scream it to yourself that I got this. Scream it to yourself, I can do this. Let's see it, runners. Hit that speed. If you're not there, hit it. Let's go right here. Come on. 15 seconds. That's nothing. Few more cycles. Come on. Here we go. We got 10. Stay tall. Form is important here. Right to the end. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to that recovery. Take it down. Yes, runners. You completed that workout. Way to crush it. Right here now, we got that recovery. So stay in that 5 to 7 range. Take it down a little bit more if you want. But let's keep that body moving. Good. Right here. Awesome job. Deep breaths in through the nose. Slow exhale out through the mouth. A lot of times we just try to keep breathing in super fast. We also want to make sure we control the out as well. That's it, runners. 6 interval hard runs, or sprints if you want to call them sprints. That's what I like to call them. Sprinter over here, 30 seconds. Unbelievable job. way to run hard, way to challenge yourself. If you weren't quite where you wanted to be today, that's okay. That's what training is about. That's what living a healthy lifestyle is about, is being able to challenge yourself and push yourself day in and day out. All right, we're gonna bring it down to a walk. 2 to 4 in 3, 2, 1, take it down. Right? That's what it's about, is that each time you do it, you're going to get better and better. So maybe you didn't quite hit the range, or maybe you didn't quite hit the speed that you wanted to. Maybe you needed to take a little bit longer of a recovery or come slower for that recovery. That's okay, right? Because I guarantee you, next time you do it, you're going to get further and further, all right? Stick with it. If you love this, you love that feeling, you love challenging your body, you like pushing yourself, you like running, no equipment but your body, you like controlling that, I want you to stick with it. I don't want you to give up on that, all right? Here we go. Grab a sip of water if you need it. You earned it, runners. Awesome job. You got 20 more seconds here with me. As always, right, recovery, I'm all about it. Super important. Make sure you're hydrating. And if you want to keep moving after this, keep that body moving for a little bit. You can still walk for a few more minutes, right? Let that heart rate come down nice and slow, controlling that breathing. Let that breathing slow down a bit. Let yourself cool off a little bit. All right, you got 3, 2, 1 left with me. Thank you so much. Awesome job on that intermediate HIIT workout. So much fun running with you guys today. I'll see you again next time on IBX Running.